Howdy, howdy everybody. Good morning. So this morning is Thursday morning. We're getting ready to head over to an estate sale, which is probably about 45 minutes away, but the pictures look promising. It's the first day, so there's a couple of things we're going to try to get before they get going if the price reasonable. So we're going to get ready and head over there. But while we're headed to the estate sale, we're going to let you guys and gals watch our sales from yesterday. Yesterday was a fun time. Courtney actually does all the sales yesterday. I was in some serious pain. I still am, but it's controllable right this minute. I got the infected tooth right here, and buddy, I'm gonna tell you, it hurt. It feels like this whole side of my face is gonna explode. Put me on antibiotics and stuff, so hopefully it'll be fixed. Gotta have a root canal on Monday. Yesterday, I couldn't even hardly talk. It was hurting so bad. So Miss Courtney did our sales for us. Glad to have somebody else to help me out. And if it gets to hurting bad later, y'all may hear me shut down again. If you do, Courtney will take over again, won't she?
I don't think I have a choice.
Buddy, that junk hurts. Amazing how something so little can hurt so bad. But let us head over to this estate sale. Y'all enjoy our sales, and if by some chance you're new to our channel, my name is Colton.
I'm Courtney.
And we're resellers full-time. We sell on eBay, Amazon, Poshmark. This channel is a way of us to document our journey, basically, kind of share our day in our lives with you guys and gals. We may throw some stuff in these videos that's not entirely resale related, things to that nature, but that's just who we are, so we want to share that with you guys and gals. If by some chance, I know YouTube's been glitchy, do us a favor, check to make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you have the little bell turned on if you don't mind, because I know here recently that people's been getting unsubscribed from channels. I know it's happened to me a few times, so if you don't mind, it's completely free to you guys and gals. Just double check that. We're gonna hit the road and we'll catch up with y'all shortly.
Also, if you haven't checked out the video from the other day, go check it out.
You'll see a picture right here of it.
Put the mystery word in for your chance to win for the giveaway.
And
y'all can tell I picked that word.
She did. She made me drive all the way out there to get them donuts, and she eat like one bite. She says, takes a bite, says, I can't eat this.
Well, it didn't taste good the first day. I ate Arby's.
After she made me drive 45 minutes each direction.
I'm not the one that told you to buy 2 dozen.
Technically, I didn't drive though. I rode.
I drove.
Because I had to do some listings. We'll see y'all.
Alright guys and girls, so today you get stuck with me. So we have about 15 orders we had to pull. I went ahead and pulled them. So I'm going to go ahead and do a rundown with you. Just that way it's a little bit quicker. This is that Xbox 360 and the original Xbox. This works, it's just if like the door's stuck. Anyway, for these two we sold them for parts only. Got $55.96 free shipping. Next we sold these 4 Poopsie Slime Surprise. And for these we got $18.45 plus shipping. This is going out to a viewer, Eileen. Eileen got these 3 little Looney Tune cups as well, and these sold for $10.88. Next is this new sealed No More Bass VHS tape. Got $1.81 for this. And last, she got these Skechers Go Walk shoes. They are new. You can see they're all these little shiny colors. And come with a little keychain. And for these, we sold them for $29.99. So all this will be combined shipping.
I interrupt your regularly scheduled broadcasting to let y'all know a pro tip. If you're looking at 3 or 4 different estate sales online and they got different dates, double check before you drive 45 minutes out there and sit for 20 minutes and then drive 45 minutes back. That is 2 hours I'll never get back. Been looking at a bunch of estate sales, and I seen one started Thursday. I just assumed, I guess it was that one. So we drove all the way up there, and we sitting there, and I said, honey, I don't know what's going on. It's 8 o'clock, and I ain't started yet. And she said, is it starting today? So I looked at the website. It don't. So we're at another one now, so we'll see y'all in a minute.
Next is this 1987 Kmart Santa Christmas Bear. It's just a plush one. It doesn't make any noise or anything. And for this one, we got $26.24 plus shipping.
We're all masked up, so if y'all can't hear me, I'm sorry. Out of my hands at this point. Oh, he ain't started yet? What time did he start?
It opens at 10.
10? What?
That's what I heard.
What time? That's iron. We'll come back in then. Pro tip number 2, I ain't no more got that out my mouth, and we walked up there and we're an hour early. One of them days, I reckon.
wonder why there's people sitting outside waiting an hour
They got
and a
the
half.
signs up. So that's pro tip number 2, double check the date and the time.
Next is this set of Legos. We got these on clearance. I don't know if we paid $6. May got them cheaper. Hard to remember. This is our last set, and for this we got $15.09 plus shipping. Next, we have this masonry drill bit. It's a 1/4 inch. About all I know about it. And for this, we sold it for $6.38 plus shipping. Next is these 2 oil seals. They're just some small ones. New old stock. And for these, we got $14.96 plus shipping. Next is the mini travel version of, I may have this upside down, backgammon. Has all the pieces. Oh, it's magnetic. Didn't know that. And for this, we got $18.70 plus shipping. Next is this Dale Earnhardt Army number 30 car. Also comes with the little racing card in the back. And for this, we got $11.24 plus shipping. This Packard car hood ornament thing. It's really heavy. And for this, we got $37.49 plus shipping. Next is Scooby-Doo! And for Scooby, we got $24.96 plus shipping. It's just a plush. Then we sold a LuLaRoe tee. It's just like a perfect tee. As you can see, the design, it's just kind of like a diamond orange blue pattern. For this, we got $9.38 plus shipping. And last but not least, we sold 2 Nicholas Sparks audiobooks, and for these 2, we got $11.24 plus shipping. So this is our orders going out today. Thank you, Miss Eileen, again for your purchase. Thank you for all the support and stuff you've given us, and for keep coming back. So we'll get this sent out, combined shipping. So we'll get them packed up, sent out, and ready to go.
Guys and gals, maybe you can hear me. Check this out. Look at that. There's a bear on that trailer, chained down with a mask and one hanging off the side. Alrighty, guys and gals, we got 8 orders going out on eBay today. We rode back over to that estate sale you would have seen a little bit ago. It's now 15 to 11, but they was probably, I mean, it was packed. There was people lined up out to the road, so we just kept on going. We'll swing back by there after we do this and see if there's as many people as they are. If they are, probably not going to be going to it today. I mean, it ain't worth it to get out there and round all that junk. We're going to go ahead and pull these orders. We got to grab some blue Converse in L4A. Pick these up. We got 2 pairs for $15, so we're $7.50 a piece into them. I'm done sold the other pair. This is the last ones out of that lot. These sold for $22.75 plus shipping. Y'all see what we've been working on. Now we got to grab a blue and white turtle on K4. I see him down there. See him? So this is what you don't want when you're noodling. See, it's a hole. You don't want to stick your hand in a hole with a turtle, because that joker will bite the fire out of it. Unless you just you grab him real good by the shell like this, and then he can't reach you. But it's just a little old box turtle. It ain't no snapping turtle, and it's ceramic. See that there? Pretty little turtle. And this ended up selling for $26.25 plus shipping. Now, had a guy make an offer on the next item. I counter offered him. He accepted at $16. So let's grab this. It's an Easton bat bag. Picked this up a little bit ago at a garage sale. It's orange and like a digital blue camo. And this ended up selling for $16 plus shipping. We got to grab a Paw Patrol right here. I picked this up RA over a year ago, before last Christmas at Walmart. $14.45 free shipping. So, I mean, we'll make a couple bucks. Now we got to grab a wood frog. See this little fella here? That's what you call a toad frog. And it's wooden, and just like it would sit on your desk or whatever, I reckon. I ain't sure, to be honest. Maybe put an ink pen in it, couldn't you? And this sold to a viewer, Daniel. And Daniel is not that far away from us. He's what, about 2 hours? He's over in Athens area. So he bought this, said he's gonna leave it on his desk and motivate him to go full time. I said, well, you could either work 40 hours a week for somebody else or 80 plus hours for yourself. most people would love to choose the 80 plus hours for yourself. This ended up selling $5.96 plus shipping. So Daniel, thank you again. We hope you enjoy it. However, I will interrupt and say this. You need to consider, and this is a huge point, benefits. If you're getting health benefits from your work, dental benefits, I mean, you're gonna be in the free market here. As I have noticed with my tooth incident, I got to pay out of pocket like $1,800 to get that joker fixed. So it's always good if you either get a plan or a savings account. Next thing we sold is a Bob Allen half mesh vest in N5A. I sold through the actual vest. This is just a trap shooter belt vest. This sold for $15.60 free shipping. Now we got some LuLaRoe leggings in M1B-16. Number 16, where is it?
They're black and white.
These are some LuLaRoe tall and curvy one size leggings, and these sold for $11.89 plus shipping. Now we got to get 6 Stephanie Lawrence books on 04. 1. So this is just a lot of 6 Stephanie Lawrence romance novels, and these sold for $10.49 plus shipping. So this our order's going out today. We got to get this stuff packed up, sent out, and then we got to start listing again. Alrighty guys and gals, so man, it is hot. My car shows 677 degrees right now. My lord, it's hot. We just left at a estate sale. It was a pretty awesome one. I mean, they were kind of high priced, but it was fun to walk around in. So we're gonna do that footage separate from this video. It'll be our next video coming out.
It is so hot, y'all.
We sitting on a hill about like this right now, like we're about to take off in the space shuttle. Y'all just can't tell it. We got to figure out how to get off this hill.
I done told you what to do. Pull through the yard like everybody else does.
But if y'all enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a great big old thumbs up.
And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button as well as the notification bell.
And we greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate all you guys and gals. Y'all make sure to watch this footage be coming out next, because it's pretty awesome, I think.
And also don't forget to go back and watch that other video and put in the keyword.
Right.
For the chance for the giveaway.
And we'll see all you guys and gals on the next one.
Bye, y'all.